Hello everyone, I am Kieran and I'm enrolled for the smart contract engineering. So I noticed that some of us have challenges accessing our home study, and I'm going to show us with this quick tutorial how to get along with it. So basically, I think I'm going to log this out. So what you want to do is go to ayaversity.com. Let me clear all these backlinks so that it's easy for you. But if you can go straight to this URL, it will be better. So ayaversity.com/portal. So you go to it, and then once it loads, I'm logged in, so it's just going to go straight to my home study. But if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. So basically, this is your account. See that icon there? So you see you can sign in. So once you sign in, if you go to this web link, see it, portal, ayaversity.com/portal, it will get you somewhere you can log in. And then once you log in, that first page you are seeing, so this is basically the first page you see. Okay, that's when you choose your option. So the first page you usually should see is the course management menu, where you choose whether it's product management or UI UX or smart contract. So once you choose the smart contract, that's if you're doing smart contract, it just gets you to here where you see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And once you get there, you want to go to your first week, then which is week 1. So once you go to week 1, you see this short video. It's a YouTube video telling you like basic of what solidity is in like 100 seconds. So it's actually very short, and you can just watch it as soon as possible before you start reading other things, because you give you like a sort of idea of what you're going to be learning for the next few weeks is about. So once you click the video, you watch it on YouTube, and then you come back here. So basically, these are just documentations. Currently, Web3 does not have a lot of it has knowledge base, but not compared to Web2. So most knowledge you get is from reading documentaries. That's the documents of the project. So this is the solidity document, and then the second one is the tutorial points link, where you just learn about solidity. I think that's what I've been doing since this week. And then the second one is like a cheat sheet for solidity, and then the last one is very helpful. So it's a GitHub repository that gives you different URLs that will help you in this study. And so once you are done reading them, it could take you a couple of days. So me, basically, I was reading the documents of solidity document, but I didn't finish it because guy it's very much. So I just stopped at some place and just jumped to tutorials point. It makes it quite easy. So if you're done with tutorial points, next thing you might want to do is go to this GitHub repositories. So you can choose any track you want there and then continue with it. So I'm going to be doing the one of the links in repository. There is the Python there. Okay, let me show you. I think I have it here. Okay, so yeah, this is the tab where I opened all the repositories. So from here you can see that there are different repositories. So this is for JavaScript. If you have like maybe knowledge base in JavaScript, you might choose the JavaScript option, but I'm going to choose Python because Python is quite easier than JavaScript, and then it's to just be more fun, especially if you're a beginner like me. So, and you can also try other ones if you have the time, but you know that you should basically complete this in 1 week. So once you are done with all the things you need, then we have a task to build. So yeah, you'll be using Remix. I've been using Remix since I started learning this, because it may take you a while to set up your IDE. Also, in the if you are using a Windows, it might be a little hard for you. So you might, in that GitHub repository, so the Python option, the guy talked about how to set up your IDE. You see it in his listing, the link there, so you can just do that. And but you can be using Remix for now. So Remix is just a browser-based IDE for Solidity development, and we'll build this application or a contract that basically the simple voting system and a bank mechanism. Actually, this voting system. You even see the example of it in the Remix IDE. So once we are done, I will suggest this is very important, because once you start maybe applying for jobs or wanting to meet clients, they want to see what you have done. So once this is very very crucial. Once you start developing projects, don't just run it on your local machine. Okay, you can run it on your local machine, and but then remember to upload them to your GitHub. The best thing would have been like to, if you have knowledge in back end, you basically use back end to maybe pull your GitHub repositories, and then work on them and upload and like push it all from the back end. But if you are not very good with the back end, you can still use the GitHub UI. It's still nice. So whatever you are building, even all these examples, always upload them to your GitHub, because at the end of the day, you're having a lot of projects on your GitHub, and then once you meet like maybe potential clients or employees, it won't look like you are just a total newbie. They'll see some things in your GitHub account, and then it will be a nice thing for your CV. So I think so. Yeah, the link of your repository, I believe that's where you can submit. Or if you have any other place you want to upload them, fine. But I think GitHub is the best place to do that. So you submit it. I think I opened the link before. So basically, these are all these documentaries from your week one. This is Solidity. The first one is Solidity documentation. The second one is the bit degree cheat sheet, and then the third one is the um, GitHub repository, and then the other one is the tutorials point Solidity. That's what I'm currently working on. I'm almost done with it, and so I hope this was helpful to some of us that needed it, and see you in the end. Bye.